Sparky Sparks here. So glad to see you. This is new hair. This is called Trendsetter by Raquel Welch, and the color is beautiful. It's very bright and vibrant. So this color is called Glazed Auburn. One of my, I love the auburns now. I've kind of moved into my season of red is kind of what I'm calling it. But check this out. You can kind of fluff her around. I like to pull her out around my ears like this. Let's see. And then let me show you the back. Hopefully you can see that. She's real pretty in the back. But you could probably push her up like this if you wanted to kind of a little spiky flare to it. Super gorgeous. Again, this is Trendsetter in Glazed Auburn. So I really like her. And she's got a no lace front, so it's a hard stop here. I like to usually have the lace front because it looks like it's coming out of your scalp. But if, with all this bang action right here, you'd never know. You're just not gonna do this, right? So, but that's what it looks like when it's pulled back. So she's got a nice little, kind of messy part area. Let's look inside the cap so you can see. She's got a closed kind of wefted area here. So it doesn't have any parting space, and you really don't need that because it's not built to part really. It's more of a messy kind of look, as short hair often does have. So, and again, as we put it on, it doesn't look exactly right? So you've got to play with her, and I need to move her back to where my forehead would be. I like to use there's little tabs right here on either side of my temples, and I can push those in to make sure she fits perfect. And then with this, she's a lot of hair for me because I don't have this much hair, but really a cute look for, a short hair look. And for you gals who have long hair, yes, you can put it up and fit it under here. The cap opens up. But what do you think? I'd love your thoughts. Let's look at the back again. Hopefully you're seeing this. I'm still new. So I'll move this way, move that way. See what you think. Love your comments. Look at the top. Have a great day.